In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to subscribe to Amazon Prime on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the official website of Prime Video, provide your credentials and log into your account. After you log in, click on the profile icon. Now navigate to the option account and settings. Now here you're going to find different section. Now here you're going to find this section of Prime membership or Prime Video subscription. You'll need to click on that. If you're not subscribed, you will see a sign up or start your free trial button. Tap this option to continue. You will then be redirected to the Amazon website where you can complete your subscription. Before you continue, make sure you have a valid payment method added to your Amazon account. If you don't, Amazon will ask you to add a credit card, debit card, or another supported payment method before you can subscribe. Once your payment information is ready, tap continue and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your membership. If you are eligible, Amazon may offer a free trial before your paid membership begins. After your subscription is confirmed, you can return to Prime Video app on your iPhone, sign in with the same Amazon account, and immediately start enjoying the Prime Video movies, TV shows, and all other benefits included with your Amazon Prime membership. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.